Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to circle crop videos in CapCut. So if you want to go ahead and create a circle crop onto your video, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that we need to do in here is to open the CapCut desktop app, and once you're already in, just go ahead and import the videos that you want to use. So as you can see, I have some videos already in here, but if you don't have onto your end, just simply click onto the import button in here to browse onto your different files, or simply drag and drop the videos onto this one. Now to add those one here onto the timeline, you'll just have to click onto this blue icon to add a track, or you could simply drag and drop it in here. So as you can see, we have two videos already in here. And for us to do a circle crop, so for example, this video is what we want to do, a circle crop. So we're going to simply click onto that. And under video, we could find mask in there. So here on mask, we could see circle. Simply click onto that. And as you can see, it did created a circle crop onto the video that we have selected. So you could also resize that one, make it bigger or make it smaller, or you could also go ahead and rotate this as per your liking, and you could also move this onto different places. And that is just basically it, how you circle crop videos in CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.